In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import subscribers into Beehiiv. First, make sure you're logged into your Beehiiv account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Beehiiv dashboard. This is your control center where you manage your publication, view analytics, and handle your audience. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace or publication if you have more than one. From the dashboard, look for the menu option labeled Audience. Go ahead and click on Audience. This is where Beehiiv stores everything related to your readers, including subscribers, segments, and more. For importing, we'll be working specifically inside the subscribers section. Now, within Audience, click on Subscribers. This will open a page that lists all of your current email subscribers. You might see an empty list if you're just getting started, or a populated list if you already have some subscribers in Beehiiv. At the top or near the side of this page, you'll see an option called Import Subscribers. Click on that. You'll be taken to a dedicated subscriber import page. Here, you'll likely see a brief explanation of how importing works and maybe some guidelines about list quality and permission. When you're ready, click on Import Subscribers again to begin the process. Next, you'll see an area where you can add your subscriber file. Beehiiv typically accepts CSV files exported from your previous email service provider or spreadsheet. Click on Choose File, or if you prefer, drag and drop your file directly into the upload area. Before you do this, it's a good idea to quickly open your file and check that it includes at least an email column, and ideally fields like first name and last name if you use them. Once you've chosen the file from your device, Beehiiv will recognize it and show it as selected. When that looks correct, click on Next. On the following screen, Beehiiv may ask you to review or map your columns, making sure that the right data goes into the right fields. Take a moment to double check this, because it affects how your subscriber information appears later. After reviewing everything, click on Confirm Subscribers Import. This is your final chance to ensure that the list is clean, permission-based, and correctly formatted. Finally, when you're confident everything is set up properly, click on Import. Beehiiv will start processing your file, and after a short while, your subscribers will appear in your audience under Subscribers, ready for your next newsletter.